Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aikal Miramdi, Metric F1085. So today I will present about our project, food ordering apps. So the introduction. Food ordering system is an application which will help restaurants to optimize and control over their restaurant. For the waiters, it is making life easier because they doesn't have to go kitchen and give the orders to chef easily. For the management point of view, the manager will be able to control the restaurant by having all the reports to hand and able to see the record of each employees and orders. The application helps the restaurant to do all the functionalities more accurately and faster way. Food ordering system reduce manual work and improve efficiency of restaurant. This application is helping food ordering to maintain the stock and cash flow and then many more functionalities. The main goal is to maintain the restaurant function in an effective and accurate manner, and also reducing the use of manual entries. This software helps food orders to maintain the due record in system. It is keeping a proper record of database. So the objective of this project is to design a system able to accommodate a huge amount of orders at a time. Second, to develop a system that will seriously satisfy the customer service, and to evaluate its performance and accessibility in terms of security, user friendliness, accuracy, and reliability. So the system scope is food ordering app can sell food product, different brands, KitchenAid, additionally restaurant supplies and more through this online one-stop food store. It provides you with a convenient way to sell from your food shopping app. You can use this app as one with market app to sell product of your store. This app made easy for user to buy product from store with easy step, and store can get easy order.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafidin Jamil bin Azudi. Number matric is F1043. Today I will present about mini project mobile app. My system is food ordering system. Is a manual. Okay, if you see here, we have interface food order app, which is data is restaurant 3 sahabat. Okay, we have a username to fill up and password to fill up, and the login button. Okay, welcome to food ordering app. First, user must log in their account using a username and password to order the food. Okay, this is username and this is the password. Okay, after fill up username and password, user must click button login to proceed. Okay, this button to login. Okay, after that we have interface like this, food order app, and this is the menu, which is we have pizza, burger, rojak, and cooked float, and we have 4 button add and 4 image for the each menu. Okay, after user finish login, user can order the food whatever they want. User can choose the food. This food order app have the delicious menu like pizza, burger, rojak, and the last one is cooked float. To order the food, user have to click button add the menu, and after done, user place the order, which is click the place order button at the button. If user want to order the pizza, user must click this button add. If user want to order burger, this button add, and rojak, click this button add, and the last one is cooked float, must click the button add. After that, user can must click place order button to proceed. Okay, the last one is order. We have uh, the order and the price list and two button back and log out. Okay, after that the full order the order full app will show up the user's order and it show user price order at the bottom. This is the user price. If user want to cancel order or change order, user can click button back at the bottom, this button back. After done, user can click the log out button at the bottom, this log out after user finish it. Okay, next is the appendix. First is main activity.java. Okay, we have counter intent, OS bundle, text util, we have view, button, edited, and tools. Okay, we have two string username and password. The correct username is user and the correct password is 1234. Okay, we have pattern login. Okay, this is the coding. Okay, if user success to proceed, we have show successfully login. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Akmal Hassan. My metric number is 13DDT1F1155. Okay, in this video I will continue to our report presentation. I will continue at the appendix. Okay, which is here. For the first coding, is it main activity.java package. Package as usual is it com.example version put on the app. For the import in .x .app compact .app and .app compact activity. For the next import is android.content.intent, android.os.bundle, android.text.textutils. Next, android.view.view, android.widget.button, android.widget.edittext, and the last one, android.widget.tools. For the public class, we declare as edit text as a username and password, and button, which is a button login. For the string, is it correct username equal to user, and the next string is correct password equal to 1234. Okay, for the next for the next class, username equal to find view by ID, and in column r.id.username. The next password, find view by ID, r.id.password, and button login equal to find view by ID, r.id.button login. Okay, for the next code, button login dot set on click listener, new view on click listener, and for the public void class, on click view v go to open menu. For the if statement, if that util is empty, username get text to string. That util is empty, password and get text to string. Those make text, which is from this main activity.this empty data provided. Else, if username get text to string equals correct username, which is this is to check the password. If the password get text to string equals correct password, those make text main activity this successfully login. Else, it will show invalid, which is toast.maketext activity.this. Okay, for the activity main.sml for the design, relative layout SMLNS, Android equal to schema android.com, apk rest android, which is the directory folder, smlns app equal to this link, which is http://schemas.android.app.apk rest auto. And for the layout width and layout height, equal to mesh parent, and Android background, drawable blueberry. Tools, context is main activity. For the edit text, android.id, id/username, android layout width, mesh parent, and layout head, right content, layout margin top, declare as a 250 dp, and hint username. Next, text color, we use code F3EBEB, and text color hint we use hashtag FA F7. Okay, for the next edit text, Android ID plus ID / password for the password column. Layout width equal to mesh parent, and layout head equal to word content. Layout margin top we declare as a 300 dp. Hint for this column is password, and the text color hint is FFF and F. Okay, for the button column, which is Android ID plus ID underscore / button login. For the layout width, we declare as a 211 dp. Layout head, red content. Layout align parent top, we declare as a true. And layout center horizontal, declare as a true. For the layout margin top, for 450 dp. And for the text, we declare as a login. And background hint, we declare as a 03A9F4. For the text view is ID plus ID / text view 2. Layout width with mesh parent, and layout head with right content, and layout margin top we declare as a 50 dp. And text is restaurant 3 sahabat, which is this for the title, for the login title. And the text color we declare as a F8 F0, and the text size we declare as a 24 sp. Okay, for the next activity menu, which is the selection in the the selection for the user to order the food. Okay, we start from this linear layout, mesh parent, next 50 dp, layout head, and layout width we mesh parent, and layout head we declare as a mesh parent. Text is menu, and text size is 30 sp. Text alignment we put at the center, and text color white color, and the gravity center horizontal. For the next linear layout, the first is code is layout margin top, we declare as a 50 dp. And the next layout width we declare as a mesh parent, and the next weight sound equal to 2. Orientation is horizontal, and layout head is 60 dp. For the next text view, layout width equal to mesh parent, layout head equal to mesh parent also, and layout head we declare as a 1, and the text is pizza RM 10 ringgit, and the text color is F3E9E9, and the text size is 20 sp. For the button, ID plus ID underscore / pizza button. For the layout weight, we declare as a 1. For the text add, for the one click, we put add to list, and layout width equal to mesh parent, layout head equal to mesh parent, and background theme we declare hashtag 0389F4. For the image view, we set layer width with 100 dp, layer height with 50 dp, and the layer below plus id slash text view 2, layer align start, and plus id text view. For the next align left, plus id slash text view, and the layer align end plus id slash text view, and layer align right plus id and slash text view 2. For the source is the drawable slash pizza. For the next linear layout, mesh parent, which is layer width sound equal to 2, and layer height equal to 60 dp. For the next text view, layer width mesh parent, layer height is mesh parent, layer weight equal to 1. The text is burger RM6 ringgit. For the text color, hashtag FA F4, and for the text size is 20 SP. The next is for the button, for the burger button, layer weight equal to 1. Text we put as a add, and one click add to list. Meanwhile, the layer width is mesh parent, layer height is mesh parent, and background tint is 0389F4. For the image, we put the layer width and 100 dp, layer height 50 dp. The layer below we put as a text view 2, layer align start, text view, layer align left, text view, layer align end, text view 2, and layer align right, text view 2. Source drawable is a burger. For the third linear layout, we declare the layout width is a mesh parent, weight sum is 2, layer height is 60 dp, and the text view we declare layer width with mesh parent, layer height with mesh parent, layer weight 1, layer weight equal to 1. Text is a rojak, which is RM5 ringgit. For the text color, we use hashtag FB F5, and for the text size, we declare as a 20 SP. And for the button, we put as a rojak button. The layer weight we declare as a 1. Text which is add, one click, add to list, layer width mesh parent, and layer height is a mesh parent. For the background tint, which is we declare as a hashtag 0389F4. And for the image view, layer width with 100 dp, layer height with 50 dp, layer below, which is ID text view 2, layer align start, text view, align left, text view, align right, text view 2, and align and text view 2. For the source, we declare as a rojak. For the last linear layout, which is layer width mesh parent, weight sound equal to 2, and layer height equal to 60 dp. For the text view, layer width with mesh parent, layer height with mesh parent, layer weight we equal to 1. For the text, we declare as a code float, which is RM3 ringgit. And for the text color, we choose hashtag F4 EC and EC. For the text size, 20 SP. For the ID, code button, layer weight equal to text add, one click add to list, layer width mesh parent, layer height mesh parent, and background tint we declare as a hashtag 0389F4. For the image view, layer width with 100 dp, layer height with 50 dp, layer below with text view 2, align start with text view, align left with text view, align end with text view 2, align right with text view 2. For the source, we use code. For the place of the linear layout, we declare layer width with mesh parent, layer margin top with 200 dp, layer height with 50 dp. For the button, one click, we declare as a place order, layer equal to mesh parent, layer height equal to mesh parent. Text we put as place order for order all the four menu, and the text color we put as a white, and background theme we choose hashtag 03A9F4 as the color. For the activity or the details, we start to this from the this. For the text view, layer width equal to mesh parent, layer height equal to 35 dp, layer weight equal to 1, gravity we put as a center, text is orders, text alignment we put as a center, and the text color we choose hashtag quadruple F, and text size we use 25 sp. For the next text view is we use padding as a 10 dp, ID is plus ID slash list view, and layer width we declare as a right content, and layer height we declare as a 300 dp, and the text color is quadruple F. For the net text size we use 25 sp. Hint item will be here, and layer margin top for we declare as a 60 dp. For the net text view is ID plus ID slash price view, layer width equal to mesh parent, and layer height equal to 30 dp, layer margin bottom equal to 60 dp, and the gravity we put at the center horizontal, and the hint price will be here. For the net text alignment we put at the center, text color we choose white, and the text size we declare as a 20 sp. For the linear layout margin top equal to 50 dp, layout width equal to mesh parent, width sum equal to 2, and orientation equal to horizontal, and also layout height equal to 60 dp. For the button, ID plus ID slash button back, layout width equal to 1, and text is back, which is this is button, and one click we set as a set button back, layer width equal to mesh parent, layer height equal to mesh parent, and the background thing we use hashtag D003F4 as our color. For the next button, which is button logout, layout width with 1, the text is logout, and one click we set the button logout, layout width is same, mesh parent, and layout height also mesh parent. For the background theme we use hashtag F44336 as a color. And for the last one is Android manifest .xml. We start from this application through icon we use IC launcher nitmap slash RC launcher. For the label string slash app name, round icon IC launcher round, support RSTL is true. Themes we use style theme dot for foot of the app, which is the common, the basic theme for these apps. For the next activity, Android name, order details, Android name, menu, and Android name is main activity. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.